Transparent analysis of the driving behavior of your bus fleet is of fundamental importance. OMNIplus ON Monitor Performance Analysis helps you in improving toward a safe and economical driving style. Among other things, the analysis provides data on energy and fuel consumption. Objective criteria such as acceleration, braking, smooth driving, and coasting, as well as the use of assistance systems, are also included in the evaluation. Together with the diverse analysis data, these aspects allow fleet managers to interpret driving behavior. If necessary, suitable training measures may, for example, be initiated. With the aid of OMNIplus ON Monitor Performance Analysis, the energy and fuel consumption, as well as the driving style, can be improved as and when required. Reduce operating costs, increase passenger safety and comfort, and meet official tender requirements. Show that your driving team is as safe, economical, and resilient as possible on the road. We can help you to create transparency, identify opportunities for improvement, reduce costs, and achieve competitive advantages.